Okay, so let's make an energy pie chart. So you have some document that you want to make your pie chart on. Pretty simple to do. We'll go to Insert, Drawing. And here's where we're going to make our energy pie chart. So we'll choose Shape, and then how about a circle? And then here we'll just draw the circle. You can make it as big as you want on this part. I don't like that fill color, so I'm going to click Fill and then get rid of it. And what we want to do now is we want to add in some text so we can tell what type of energy it is. So in the simplest sense, let's just say we can add a text box by clicking here. We'll drag it. And let's say we've got gravitational potential energy. And we'll highlight it to make it nice and big. More. How about size 24? And center it. And now you can grab it and drag it, center. Perfect. Save and close, and it comes up right here. This looks kind of big, so we're going to just shrink it down, and that's great. You can use that one. So let's say that we wanted to put in another one. So we'll put one in right over here, and we'll go back, Insert, Drawing, and we'll kind of repeat the same steps. We'll pick our circle again. Nice big circle. And let's get rid of the fill. And let's say now we need to split it in half. So we can choose a line for this. And we'll just pick a line and we can drag it so that we have split it in half. Perfect. There's a line over there. We don't need that one. So now you can click on the text box. We can drag it over here. Maybe now we've got potential energy, gravitational, highlight. Put that one back to 24, make it nice and big. You can center it. You can drag this so it fits. There we go. And now we've got some kinetic energy we'll put on the other side. So we'll pick text box again, put one over here. KE, highlight that one. 24, center. There we go. Save and close. Now we have another one. And we can shrink that down so it fits in. Maybe that's a little too big. Perfect. So let's add another one to this position. And maybe this time we want it to have more than 2 different energies. We'll make the circle again. Round. Get rid of the fill. And we want our lines to be drawn. So we can maybe make a line like this. And maybe we can make a line from here to here. From here to here. I think you get the idea. So what you can do now is you can just fill in text boxes for each of these. Maybe you've got potential energy, kinetic energy, heat energy, some combination of those. You hit save and close, and of course you can resize it. Your labels will be in there, and you'll be all set.